These are going to be the east elevators at the brand new Disney Riviera Resort in Walt Disney World, Lake Buena Vista, Florida. There's Adam in front of me.
Thank you, fountains for Andrew. He loves fountains, of course.
And I believe they're right here.
It smells newer here.
It does. One of them's already broken. That's pathetic.
I know. I was gonna say that's ridiculous.
Look at that. That's sad.
I'm guessing this one's not in service yet.
I hate to say.
Oh, okay. How ridiculous.
That one's on. It went up to
Like
$9.
$75,000.
This one says it's on 1. Wonder if it's gonna come.
There it is.
There we go. Well, this one's going up. I pushed it to go down.
Oh, we were on 2.
Well, this one's coming.
Yeah, but he doesn't get up that early.
You want to go down?
Yeah, well, we're gonna go down first. I want to get a full ride up. Oh wow, nice cab. Whoa.
Nice.
Going down, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, catch you
That's
over
right.
seated.
Talks, but really quietly. 9 we can
The
go.
restaurant's closed.
Notice the buttons on this are red. Yeah, this is a newer series too. You don't typically see that in these. Anyways, here we go. Installed in 2019.
Of course, Disney likes these.
Yeah,
The best
they like
Janus,
using
you're right.
regular intercom phones rather than the built-in.
Yeah.
Just like OHS.
Yeah, very, very rarely do they ever use the ones built into the panel. See, there's your Janus phone.
Just like OHSU in Portland, they do the same thing.
Here are 9. You going down?
Oh, yeah. 2?
I like that light.
Same. That
Right.
is beautiful. This is very mechanical.
Might make some stops.
These are busy. But yeah,
Interesting how the lanterns like that while the indicator.
And here we are too.
I think they use the
This is
interior
the
lantern
lobby.
for the directional arrow.
One more. Oh, you're going to 1? Okay.
yeah, we'll take another ride up. Hopefully no one will get on next time, but they probably will.
So this is like instead of built in an indicator. That's so cool.
Alright.
Switch.
You want to switch? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting how they have Series 4 style call buttons and indicators on the outside, and that these actually have red buttons, but this is a newer Series 2. Wonder what that was supposed to be for.
It's gold doors.
AKA brass.
Yeah, they're brass.
That's called gold. It's the color.
I just noticed that. Yeah, look at that. It was like
I'm gonna resume it.
it's shaded a bit on the edges.
That stopped my camera by accident. I meant to like take a picture of the doors.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a thumbnail.
We may wait.
I can like put this together in iMovie.
Here we go.
Hey, we got it for ourselves.
Yep. 10. Oh, 9.
Alright, we got another car here. I'll get my cab view now.
Non-stop flight, that's lit.
There's Julian.
There's Adam, there's Julian.
Yep. There's Riley there.
Hey.
Voice is louder on this one.
They use this as a directional lantern.
Yep, there's your lantern. There's 2 of them. The other one doesn't work.
I know.
I mean, these are nice overall, but they could have done a better job with this installation. I mean, the fact one of the lanterns is already not working and one of them's already broken is just sad, honestly.
And we'll go back up to 2.
Oh, you want to go to 2?
And then we'll switch to the other bank.
Oh, okay. I could get this.
I'm just gonna keep my video rolling.
Same.
Okay.
That's what I call it.
I'm gonna end it and start up. There it goes. And
Alright.
that'll be it for this bank.
Yeah, that's gonna be it for this bank, but we're gonna head over. I wanna get views of the lobby because this place is gorgeous, so I'm just gonna keep going.
I'll be right over. I'm gonna get my thumbnail.
Okay. Yeah, look at this hallway. It's beautiful.
I know. 3 buttons for Andrew, Katie's, and Lucy.
Yeah, I'm gonna get something off of those. I need to get a drink.
His actual photograph still.
That's beautiful. Yep, he's coming.
Chess, swing.
Here's a view out. All right, let's head to the other ones.
Now this bank only has 3 cars.
Okay. There's the lobby. Very beautiful lobby. There's a staircase down there. Very nice hallways too.
I know. Very historic.
Yeah, they did a good job with the theming.
Yeah. Did a really good job of designing it.
Yeah, Disney always does a good job with their designs for the hotels.
Yeah.
And here's bank number 2. Area of refuge. West elevators.
These doors.
These ones are all side by side.
Yeah.
And yay, all of them are running.
We could get these alone. Because this.
Yeah, this bank seems to be less busy. Oh, and the panel's laid out a bit different.
And this is. Oh, yeah. This is more idiot compliant.
And only 1 lantern works on this one, too. This one only goes up to 9.
Oh yeah, because I don't think the restaurant is on this part.
Or go back down to
I
1.
love these doors once again.
Yeah, we'll take one more ride up. Try to get both indicators.
Switch it.
This is G7.
Well,
Oh no.
you want to go?
Switch cabs.
Okay.
Are you gonna?
Are these
Yeah.
Gen2s?
Yeah, we'll just take another ride up.
Okay.
Yeah, these are Gen 2.
Oh, okay.
Janus.
Of course. The newer Otis style. Don't have fries has.
Hi.
Hey. These are very identical. These are nice.
Yeah, the only real difference with these is these only go up to 9 and have the triple layout.
Yeah,
Let's get off here.
The restaurant that is not up here.
Huh, interesting. They don't have the little controller box on the side of them. Usually they do.
Overhead.
And there's Adam going in that car.
There's a brand new
Stairs.
electrical room. It's probably the controller.
That's the hallway. Yeah, I'm guessing they just have a small control room, so these aren't fully MRL. Let's go back down. And it's waiting here for us. Here's the other two cars. And there's your interlock up there. Actually, yeah, we want to stop on 2 because that's the lobby.
Yeah. I thought there was another elevator, the lobby elevator, the 2-story.
You think there is one here?
I thought there was like from 1 to 2 or 2 to 1.
Ah.
And
There it goes. And we meet again.
there they go.
There that one goes, and there that one goes, and that will be it.